Students are expected to gain the basic skills they need to become graphic designers, application specialists, photographers, videographers, web designers, camera operators, audio engineers, directors, script writers, even doing freelance work in video production, audio production, and photography. Principles of Information Technology is a course that will prepare students for the graphic design and multimedia track. This course is available during the 8th and ninth grade years. In this course, students will develop computer literacy skills, learning about computer hardware, software, and troubleshooting. They will also deep dive into presentation skills, creating presentations, creating word processing documents, creating web design, and also creating spreadsheets. In digital media, students learn and apply their skills in the different multimedia categories. For example, that includes graphic design, audio production, video production, animation, and web design. Students learn how to create projects such as podcasts, commercials, radio commercials, and video commercials, as well as ads for social media. They also learn how to create animations, writing out the scripts, storyboarding, and then creating characters. In digital art and animation, students learn the design principles and the elements of art and apply them to digital art. They also learn the animation production process. This includes creating scripts, creating storyboards, designing characters, designing backgrounds, designing the environment in which the characters are going to be in, and then creating animation. So some of the projects we do is work on flipbooks. We work on creating using stop motion technique, and then creating using 2D. In graphic design and illustration, students learn and apply their skills in creating graphic designs. Some of these graphic designs include creating flyers, creating posters, creating book covers, creating presentations, digital advertisements, and even creating social media ads. One of the things that they also work on is creating packaging advertisements. So, for example, when you go to McDonald's and buy your lunch, that packaging where your hamburgers in or your nuggets are in, that's all part of graphic designs. Certifications that students can gain for taking these courses include Adobe certification, professional photography, audiovisual communications, and a certified user as a programmer.
After high school, I would like to be an architectural engineer, and this class will open me up to possibilities that include digital engineering and many more.
What really interests me about this track is that I can work technology more efficiently and easier.
What I enjoy learning about this class is the components and functions of inside a computer, inside a printer, just overall all the functions of technology.
My favorite project is when I was working on Microsoft Word. Usually we work on Google Slides, but that actually opened a new chance for me to try out something new, which is Microsoft Word. It felt more comfortable to me and easier to use now.
What I enjoy most learning about this class is learning a variety of ways you could put audios and videos together. It's just expanding your horizons together.
I have always been fascinated with photography. It's like an art form that can only be expressed through nature or buildings, just anything laying around, and you can transform it into something new. And this class is helping me to do that.
What my favorite project of doing in this class was putting together a podcast, having to figure out how to make audio, get into a video, having the background music, making sure the sound is correct in the video, and making sure my audience is interested on the subjects.
My favorite project in the class has probably been when my sister and I, teammates, because she always does group work, when we were able to get our own cameras and take different videos and pictures of ourselves doing different angles and positions.
What I would describe to a new student is basically just having to learn different learning the different units and having to go over what you need to do, learning the step process of having to learn different audio steps, how to put things together, and then trying it out on your own and to expand.
So this track is definitely different in the sense of a lot of digital based projects, and like I said earlier, I'm not used to digital, so it was a lot of fun to figure out how a computer works in a artistic style instead of a traditional style.
So on a normal day, we'll walk into class and do coaches warm up on Google Classroom, which would be identifying a different type of animation in a picture. And then on normal days of classwork is we get our computers out and do some Google slides on different steps of animation or different process of an animation.
This track interests me mainly because it's so digitally based. A lot of it is using a computer and stuff, and it's a big difference from what I'm used to. I'm used to a lot of traditional, so the big change is very fun and adventurous.
My favorite project in this class so far has been when we grabbed a random image on Google and we modeled it using different shapes, colors, and sizes.
Day in this class kind of looks like in the morning she does morning announcements, and then afterwards we do a little bit of notes, and then we start to do our work. We do a lot of designs and small projects.
In the graphic illustration class, we use Canva to design all of our projects.
My plan after high school is to help do real estate, and it helps fit in because you have to do a lot of designs, and in the path I want to take, you have to do a lot of designs for billboards and stuff.
I enjoy learning how to design stuff.
My favorite project that we have done is the booklet, where you basically just show a story of your life and all your goals and future plans.